Hello everyone, welcome to TechGilbert channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the mouse pointer or mouse cursor size and color in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left, click on Accessibility, and in here click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. And as you can see here, we have the option to change the color, and we also have the option to change the size. Now changing the size is very easy. You just slide this one to the right and that will make your mouse cursor bigger, and if you slide it to the left, it will make your mouse cursor smaller. And once you're done changing the size, you can change the color. So here are a few colors. If you click on the black one, of course it will make your cursor black. If you select this one, it will make it inverted. And if you want to select any custom color, you need to click here. You can choose one from here and that will change the color of your mouse pointer. But if you have something else in mind, you can just click on this plus icon here and then select any color from this color wheel. And once you're done, click on Done, and that will change your mouse pointer color to your selected color. And that is how you can change your mouse pointer color and size in your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.